Photography is the art of looking. I'm trying to see what others fail to notice. Pictures frozen in time, the light, emotions. The camera, held in my hand, fills my life with expression. This state of mind is addictive. Because of this, my urge to take photos pushes me to the furthermost corners of the world. I'm ready to endure hours of discomfort, to march, ride or fly, closely escaping various dangers. It doesn't matter if I'm tired, hot or wet. That only adds flavor to an awesome adventure. Cross-country rallying is passion. Roaring engines, fans, scenery, breakneck speed 24 hours a day, and a full range of critical situations. Thousands of kilometers of racing. Everyone is racing. Drivers, mechanics, journalists, machines. For everyone, the finishing line is something different. Everyone has their own Dakar. I take my camera almost everywhere with me. I'm always ready to capture a shot, in every situation. I'm not made of sugar. I'm not afraid of water or dust. And this is how I want my camera to be. It cannot fail me, because I do not know when the time to take the most important photograph of my life will come. Fast vehicles must be photographed fast. When I bring the camera to my eye, I need to be sure that the shot is going to be sharp. This is guaranteed by effective autofocus tracking. The continuous shooting mode and 14 frames per second allow me to capture what escapes the human eye. This is what the Fujifilm X-H1 is great at. I like my camera for its sharp lenses, because it's fast, lightweight, has a crisp viewfinder, an image stabilizer, and a tilting screen. Apart from that, it's damn comfortable to work with. The aperture ring on the lens and setting dials on the body are a classic, fast, and effective solution. Finally, the vehicles and drivers can take a rest. This is when the mechanics start their work. At night, the rally changes into a campsite. The super bright lenses and image stabilizer make my work much easier. It is also during the night that I select the photos and do equipment maintenance. During the rally, I am the last to bed and the first to rise. Success for the driver is the finishing line. But for the photographer, it's a full set of great shots.